Good morning, Adrit. Good morning. Do you know what is this? All are shapes, different kind of shapes. অনেকগুলো shapes আছে এখানে, ঠিক আছে? What shape is this? Do you know what shape is this? Circle. What shape is this? Circle. Show me the another circle. Show me the another circle. Very good. Keep it here. Keep it here, Adrit. Keep it here. এখানে রাখো, এখানটা রাখো. Very good. Now show me the another circle. আর সার্কেল গুলো দেখাও কোথায় আছে. Show me the another circle. Keep it here. And keep it here. Very good. What shape is this? This is triangle. What shape is this? Triangle. Very good. Now show me the another triangle. এরকম triangle কোথায় আছে দেখো তো. দেখো তো কোথায় আছে triangle কোথায় আছে দেখাও তো. Very good. Very good আছে. Keep it here. Keep it here. Okay. Show me the another one. Another one. আরেকটা triangle কোথায় আছে. Very good. Very good. Keep it here. Now show me the another one. Another one. This one is the another triangle. Put it here. Very good. What shape is this? এটা কি shape বলো তো? Square. This is square. Show me the another square. Very good. Keep it here. Very good. Now show me the another one. Very good. Very good. Keep it here. Very good. And now show me the another one. Keep it here. Very good. Very